Welcome back to Stock Talk Trades. We are covering Matic. Matic has been absolutely pushing for 4 weeks now. 4 weeks, it's a month, and we've gone up in a month. It's gone up 400%. We really have 3 days left in this month, or this 4 weeks, before we actually close. But it might be a good time to take some profits from Matic. I did take profits at here. I did take some profits up here. Again, I did buy it down here before I caught this run. Let's go ahead and take a peek at some Fibonacci levels, because we very well could see a pullback down to like around 150 would be and we're at 190, so I do believe our next strong support would be at around 150. Let's go and take a peek at some shorter time frames here. Again, that 150 is also acting as pretty good support. And if we can really stay above this, if we do some Fibonacci levels here, that's good that we did close below it, but we are back up. Ideally, I want to see us stay above this Fibonacci level 50% here, around 176, before actually we pull forward. I'm going to go and take some Fibonacci retracements to the upside if we do decide to break, that's around $4 a Matic per Matic, which would be absolutely crazy. I think I'm done selling my Matic until it gets like $5-10. So I'm not going to sell anymore. I think I have 1,700 coins left, but not a crazy position, but I did sell some right here. Kind of sucks. So sold a third here, sold another like a quarter here, and then an eighth up here, because I was like an eighth. It's fucking skyrocketing. In the eighth of my position, which was really 1/12 of my original position, really paid off for my whole position. It was fucking stupid. It was absolutely crazy. And what I mean, there's not really much to say about it besides it just needs to hold this level. I really wanted to hold on. Let's go back to that week. So I really wanted to actually pull back to this 21 EMA, because that would be a ideal. Or what could happen is we just consolidate. See how we consolidated here for a little bit before making this absolute banger of a run. Let's go ahead and take a peek at consolidation period here. So we did pull back to that 50% level. So that's when we did respect it. So again, that 50% level is a zone around 150. So we could respect that 150 for a little bit. So that pulled back to around that can't talk. That pulled back to the 150 range, and it absolutely exploded and absolutely went parabolic all the like stupid amount. Let's go back to the Fibonacci retracements. And I can't even, that's stupid. That's nuts how much it's went parabolic. And I believe we could see that same thing happen again. Come down, consolidate for maybe how long? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks, maybe 2 months, a little less than 2 months. And then before we absolutely explode to that $4 mark. And I'm not going to sell my Matic until $5, and then I'm not going to sell another until $10, and then 20, and then 40. So that's how I scale out of my positions, because I have the ability to wait. Since I bought so low, since I bought back here, that's just how I'm going to scale out. I just double my. That you can take profits. It's not any harm in taking profits, but again, I'm putting money in that I can just let sit there for years. So that's why I have that kind of strategy for scaling out of positions. And you can make a lot of money doing that. But I think hopefully we will continue to oh yeah, look at this. Like, that's the weekly chart. Let's go take a look at the hour chart, see what's happening here. So we are consolidating. We could be forming a head and shoulders pattern here. It's not like the perfect head and shoulders pattern, but we have the two shoulders and the head. So this is not looking good whatsoever. I'm gonna go and take this. This is the neckline, because I'm not gonna take this super volatile We have strong support and support here, and a little support here. So if you're going to take the top, it's around 31%. Or I don't want to take percentage. This is around 85 cents. 85 cents is actually looking for a run down to 90 cents, which wouldn't be ideal for us. Again, actually, now that I'm seeing this this is on the 1 hour chart. So again, it's not as, we're gonna let's go to the 4 hour chart to see if that works with us. See, this 4 hour chart doesn't really look as, I mean, this very well could be a head and shoulders pattern. It's not as lopsided, but again, this is, on the hour chart, it took from this head, and that's just, the higher the time frame, the more valid it is. This head and shoulders pattern could be very, 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 very bad. It's 115. So 115 is all the way back down to 330. That would be my initial investment, but I've already taken most of my profits on Matic. So, you know, I'm, again, seeing this now, it might be a sign for me to actually take some profits. Ideally, if we do break this trend line, I will probably consider selling some. I think I'm going to have a limit order on my Matic if we break 168, 167. If we break that again, I probably will have I'll probably do it around 150. If we break 150, I will definitely sell another size of my position, and I will then buy back close to this 200 SMA at around $1. Again, so this could very well come back down even more. It goes around 115. 115 would be down all the way at 37 cents, and that would be totally that somewhere down here, which wouldn't be a crazy. This is the 21 week. Oh yeah, this on the weekly chart, we are super overextended. We're gonna need a fat pullback here soon. We're gonna need a big pullback to this full, like, that's not looking good. That's not looking good. Yeah, see how far overextended we are. Again, I might be taking some profits off the table, but I mean, well, obviously I'm going to have I have coins that I can take profits on whenever, and I have my long-term coins that I will never take profits on. So I have some short-term when I can take profits, and then so I think I have around 500 coins that I'm going to be taking 5 to 700 coins that I'm going to be taking at these profit targets. And then I have, I think, 300 to 400 where I can trade with them, basically. If it breaks a certain level, buy and then buy back, or sell and buy back. So it's really however you want to do it. You really have to work it out for you. Whatever works best for you. Don't try to trade, don't try to mirror someone's strategy just because it doesn't, like, it's all personalized to them and how their personality is. And I think that's really it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. Helps out the channel, and you can stay up to date on your favorite cryptos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.